Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the sound design channel. My name is FAVOURITE, and in today's tutorial, we're going to be making some really beautiful orchestral strings using Serum. So this is how it sounds. And this is how the orchestral strings sound with some other elements from the track. Alright, so now let's recreate the sound. Let's copy the MIDI and let's mute all other instruments from the track. And let's open up a new channel. And now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to initialize the preset. Now let's turn on the filter and select MG Low 6. Now let's go to oscillator A, and let's go here and select FM from B. And let's move this to around 30%. Now let's turn on our oscillator B, and let's select analog basic shapes wavetable. Let's move the wavetable position to 4. And let's add some unison to 7 and detune to around 0.09. Now let's turn this level of this oscillator to 0%. Now let's attach this LFO1 to the detune. Just like that. Now let's go to the noise oscillator. Let's activate it here, and let's select analog J106 chorus. And let's just leave the level as it is. And that's it for the noise. Now let's go to envelope 1, and let's attach this to our filter cutoff here. And for the attack, let's have it at around 916 milliseconds. Let's have our decay at around 3.48 seconds. Our sustain at minus 16.7 dB. And our release at around 603 milliseconds.
This is the most complete and comprehensive program for melodic techno producers on PML. Seriously. The Melodic Techno Start to Finish Academy is a clearly structured roadmap to your first label release. From an empty Ableton project to priceless tips and secrets of applying to successful label. Step 1 of this program is a start to finish course that guides you through the complete process of a melodic techno production. Step 2 is all about practical music theory on writing harmonies and melodies that simply work. You will analyze successful patterns and melodies and will produce your own leads right away. Step 3 will be your key to writing and sound designing professional low-end. Simple, but very effective. Step 4 is about powerful drops and how to arrange melodic techno tracks for the club or for festivals. In Step 5, releasing artist Bentham invites you to his studio to show his production secrets in a track walkthrough. Step 6 takes you to Berlin, where Giulia Borelli and the Duet Studios share their most effective formulas and approaches to mixing and mastering stage-ready tracks. In Step 7, Jonas Saalbach and Gutzi, the label owners of Radicon and releasing artists for years, open up on do's and don'ts when applying to a label and what else it takes to make it in the industry. This program comes with loads of valuable samples and presets, and very helpful bonus problem solver packs. Ready for the next step? Get full access now on productionmusiclive.com.
Just like that, and like that. Now let's go to the voicing here and let's turn on the legato option here. And now let's go to the effects section and let's turn on the reverb. And for the reverb, let's have the mix at around 50%, 51%. The size at around 50%, the decay at around 6.9 seconds, the low cut at around 29%, high cut somewhere there, spin and spin depth. Now let's go and turn on our EQ and let's remove some of those lower frequencies of the sound. Let's have this frequency at around 2670. And now the last thing we're going to add here is the filter, and we're going to select the misc comms setting here. Let's have the cutoff at around 44 hertz. Let's have the resonance at around 34%. Let's have the yeah, that's it for the filter. So now let's compare it to the original sound we had. I'll just add a little bit of volume here. Alright guys, that's how you make orchestral strings using Serum. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you soon in the next one. Thanks.